Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you how to bleep out curse words. Like plus, format, the video you want to edit video, select the video, yeah, and this is the video.
I just explained the reason.
What was the reason, bitch?
I don't need to explain myself to you. And
What was the reason?
Me.
Select make video and make it into a video. Select the little music sign and then bleep it. Select the sound you want it to make when you or the person that you're muting or whatever says the cuss word. This is optional, you can just do how loud you want the bleep sound to sound. I'm just muting the part when she curses.
I don't need to explain myself to you.
What was the reason?
I just explained the reason.
What was the reason?
I don't need to explain myself to you. And
You just save it to camera roll. Now I'll show you guys how to do it on iMovie, which is easier. I'm splitting it right before she says the cuss word and right after she finishes saying it.
I don't.
You press the clip that you just split. Then on the hearing icon, double tap the clip and select audio. Audio, turn it way down to 0 so it's muted. Once you've muted it, you're good to go. You can add sound effects to make it more interesting.